Orec was a brand we weren't really familiar with, and we were skeptics at first if it could get the job done. But after seeing this product line in action, it's made us true believers that Orec will get the job done for you at your home or at the construction site.
We didn't know how to take down the California grass that was randomly planted in our yard that was an eyesore, and the cyclone just took it down with ease. It was smooth, and it was able to mulch up these long, I believe they're almost 5 feet tall, blades of grass.
I was able to use the Cyclone Flail Mower to knock out the toughest brush on my property. When we moved here 6 months ago, we had brush 5-6 feet high, and the flail mower took it out no problem. I was extremely surprised that the amount of grass and brush going into the mower didn't bog it down at all. It was able to tackle the toughest projects here on the property. I thought the terrain on our property might be a problem, but because of the tracks on the mower, it allowed it to climb steep cliffs, go up the hill, and allow me to maneuver with no problem whatsoever. It gave me great traction, made me feel that I was in control of the machine the entire time.